Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Rockjaw from the Heroes of Gujitsu. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to actually start with the nose on this one. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up, and then it's going to come down, then it's going to go back up, and then down like this. Then I'm just going to connect these with a straight line across. Now, right inside of here, I'm just going to add a little triangle shape on this side and then a little triangle shape on this side. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and that's going to come up for the eyebrow. And then another one right here that just goes down, that's going to come up. Then I'm going to draw a little line down here, and then a little line down here. And then same thing here, line down here, and then a line right down here for the eyes. Then I'm just going to add a little pupil inside each one. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to kind of curve down and up, and then it's just going to come back up here. Then inside of here, I'm going to add some teeth. So I'm going to add a few teeth over here, and then a couple more here, and then one right there. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves down for the tongue. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come over and down. And then I'm going to make another one that goes over and then comes down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and it's going to curve over. And then another one here that goes out, and then it's going to kind of angle down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over and then connects. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line down right between the eyes. So now that we have the face, we want to add the body. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that curves down here, and then another one that's just going to curve down right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. Then for the hand, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's just going to come back down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to kind of curve down and come back. One that's going to kind of curve around and come down here. And then another one that's just going to kind of curve down and come back, and then it's going to curve around here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come up to here. Then over here, I'm going to kind of draw this line out a little more. Then I'm going to take this line and draw it up. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around, almost kind of like an oval shape. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve around like this. One more, it's going to go down and around, and then one more right here. Then I'm going to draw this line down, and then I'm just going to bring it over. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. And then over here, I'm going to make another one that goes down, kind of angles in. Then I'm just going to connect it with a line across. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down over and then up. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then down. And then same thing over here, just make it go out and then down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve around. Then it's going to come up and over. The same thing here, it's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go up and then over. And then it's a little line across. I'm going to make a little line here and then a little line right here for shorts. And then just a little line that goes down here and then another little line that goes down here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over and down and then another one that goes over and down. Then I'm going to just kind of trace a little line right above the bottom of the foot just to make the little sole of the shoe. And then I'm just going to put a little kind of rectangle shape on the front of them. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then it's just going to come down. And another one that goes up and then it comes down and runs right into here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down here. And then I'm just going to add two little lines right across. Now he's got some gloves on, so I'm just going to draw a little line that curves up here and then a little line that curves here. Then I'm going to add just a little line that goes right across so they have the fingers cut out. And then right over here I'm just going to draw a little line that curves up. And then a little line that just goes right down here. And then one right here. Now I'm going to add just a second little line underneath here. And then a little curved line right there. Then he's got like a little tattoo over here. So we're just going to draw kind of half of it. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and over. And then it's going to go up, down, and then it's just going to kind of squiggle over. Then I'm going to put a little line that just kind of goes around like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of Rockjaw from the Heroes of Gujitsu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.